What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the podcast. Today, we're talking AI and whether it is coming for our jobs. I wish the answer were a clean yes or no, but like most things in life, the truth sits annoyingly in the middle. It's neither. It's both. And honestly, the more interesting part isn't the answer, it's what the question reveals about us. Today, I want to unpack that. Unpopular opinions included. You've been warned. Let's start with something simple. AI is just another technology. Not the first, definitely not the last. And technology has always done one thing consistently. It brings change. And change, by itself, isn't good or bad. It's just change. Humans are the ones who attach meaning to it. If we're here today, it's because change has been happening for thousands of years, often painfully, sometimes beautifully, occasionally disastrously. But it's inevitable. You can't freeze the world in place like a museum exhibit. You adapt or you get dragged. And this is where AI enters the chat. Let me take you back for a second. I was in school when Google Search arrived, and if you weren't around for that moment, let me paint the picture. Before Google, doing homework meant spending entire afternoons in the library, flipping through encyclopedias, hunting for a single paragraph that vaguely matched your topic. It was slow, it was painful, it was character building, I guess. Then Google shows up and suddenly I can find more information in minutes than I could in days. It was life-changing. And here's the parallel. AI today is doing to information synthesis what Google did to information retrieval. It's taking the next chunk of manual work, stitching, summarizing, structuring, and automating it. But just like back then, I still have to think. I still have to judge whether the output makes sense, fits my narrative, aligns with my mental model. AI isn't replacing my brain, it's speeding up the boring parts, getting me where I need to, faster. So let's get to the big question. Is AI going to take our jobs? Well, some of them it might. The ones that are purely manual, repetitive, and require no human judgment, those are the first to go. Just like factory assembly jobs disappeared when robotics arrived. But here's the thing. Jobs that require creativity, oversight, taste, intuition, context, ethics, vision, those don't vanish. They evolve. AI is not intelligent in the human sense. It's a very fast, very obedient pattern machine. It can parse more data than any of us could in a lifetime, but it has no inner world, no intention, no lived experience. So anywhere human judgment matters, humans stay in the loop. And historically, every time a technology removes one type of job, new ones appear. Encyclopedias died, but web content was born. Door-to-door encyclopedias salespeople disappeared, but digital marketers emerged. It's the same story on repeat. What fascinates me is the reaction to new technology. When we don't understand something, we reject it. When Google arrived, my teachers banned it. They thought using it would be cheating and would make us dumber. We used it anyway, obviously. Today, universities are banning AI tools for homework. Same fear, same logic, same misunderstanding. Using AI is not cheating, nor it makes us dumb. If you don't understand the topic, you won't even know whether the AI output is garbage. And trust me, AI can produce spectacular garbage. Creativity still requires a vision. If you've ever tried generating an image without a clear idea in mind, you know you'll get nonsense. AI can get you halfway there, but you still need to steer. AI is a democratization tool, not a creativity replacement. It removes barriers, skills, tools, software, but the vision is still yours. So, is AI coming for your job? Maybe. But it's also opening doors to jobs that didn't exist yesterday. And some of those might be better, more fulfilling, more aligned with who you are. The real question isn't, will AI take my job? It's, will I adapt to the new landscape? Change is inevitable. Our mindset is the variable. Now, don't be mistaken, there are real dangers with AI, especially when a technology evolves faster than we understand it. It's like using a loaded weapon as a toothpick. But that's a conversation for another episode. Next time, let's talk about whether we're living in an AI bubble.